Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
After 4 hours of travel from Daegu, Angeles City, so nandito na tayo sa Golden Park Inn Hotel. So check natin yung hotel and then check natin din yung room, guys. So sinong gusto magpabili ng t-shirt, guys? Walang ganito ata sa Abu Dhabi and Dubai, right? Am I correct? Check natin kung merong entrance dito. Check natin kung magkano. Ganda ng mountain, guys. So merong siyang parang staircase sa paakyat.
Never Grow Old, si Ken. Shout out sa Angels TV Vlog, tama ba?
Angels Travel TV.
Ayun, Angels Travel TV. Okay, subscribe kayo sa kanya, okay? Taga Abu Dhabi siya, naglilibot siya dito sa Pilipinas. Dinodocu niya yung mga travels niya, okay? Sige, salamat.
Salamat din boss, thank you, thank you.
Okay.
So yun guys, ready tayo. So first day natin dito sa LU, na-meet natin si Sir Ken ng Never Grow Old. Grabe, million ng subscribers nun at million ng views. So napilit ko siya na i-promote yung channel ko, Angels Travel TV. So subscribe na kayo guys, so you can see my travel videos sa mga countries na napupuntahan ko. So let's further check LU guys, let's check out the waves. So ito, madami foreigners dito. So ang ganda ng waves, grabe. Tsaka time check it's 5 PM. Matirik pa yung sikat ng araw. Pero grabe, ganda ng mga waves, sa linis ng tubig guys.
The next day.
So guys, day 2, May 13, nandito tayo sa harap ng hotel. So papunta tayong Flotsam and Jetsam. So it's surfing day, it's bucket list achievement day. So i-achieve natin yung matagal na natin bucket list na mag-try na mag-surfing. So time check, it's 7:30 AM. Nandito kami sa harapan ng daan, mag-aabang ng jeep papuntang Robinsons La Union, and then from Robinsons La Union sakay tayo ng tricycle. Magbabayad tayo ng 150 pesos, which is like 10 dirhams lang sa UAE, papunta sa Flotsam and Jetsam sa San Juan La Union Beach Resort. Okay guys, so join us guys sa aming travel. See you later.
Later.
Bucket list. So thank you Sir Rances. Mga taga Abu Dhabi, ito ba Sir Rances? Kapag pumunta kayo rito magpaturo kayan kay Sir Rances, magaling yan guys. Okay, thank you. Tapos